Okay, now, so see that example, right? What is it? So you are going to how to tell me, and what is the problem statement first of all? What is the problem statement? What is the problem statement, and you need to work on this? What is doing the yes, right. So you want to take the mail and female record, and you want to load the data into the, you want to store into the output file, right? So what are the requirement based on the requirement? Okay. See, and what is the what is the input file for this? What is the input file for this? Yes, it's a file, right? So, what is the file name? Cat emp. This is the file. This is the file, right? Where it is existing? It is existing in the local system, correct? It is existing in the local system. So 101 and AA 20,000, May 11, and this is my local data, right? So this local data, I want to filter out only female records, or I want to filter out only male records, right? Generally in the SQL or in the varietal and simple, you are writing a star from the emp where and gender equal to m means and we are taking the data, or gender equal to f means and we are taking the data, right? So this file, and first where you want to place, and you want to place into the HTFS location, correct? So where is the HTFS location? What is the folder you have created? Asha is our folder, correct? So in this Asha folder, and first I need to copy the emp into the Asha folder. That is the first step what you want to do. Am I correct? Okay. Now copy this file. How to copy this file? Hadoop sh _ emp /user /cloudra /master right in this folder. Now go and check and whether that file is existing or not. Yes. That is the emp file is existing. Write that code. Now this is the emp. Okay. Now next one is I am going to write the program. So where I am writing the program? In the Eclipse. In the Eclipse we are going to write the program. So, and what is the logic I am going to use? And all the logic implementation you are putting in the Eclipse. So double click on this. How many programs you need to write for this implementation? 2. Yeah, one driver and one mapper. Right. So what is your program name? And you define row filter driver and row filter map. Okay. So I am creating one folder here. What is the folder name is? Take any folder name. Right click or go to file, new project, and click on next. So what is the project name? And take any project name, for example, Asha only. Click on next and click on finish. Right. Now this is my folder. So what are the programs I am writing? All the programs where I am storing into this photo only, Asha photo only. Right. So this is the SRC and this is the default all the folders are existing here. Now what I am going to do is I am going to create one package. For creating a package, I click new package. So what is the package name? map. This is my package name. You can give any name, not only specific to this name, and you can give any name. I am giving some MapReduce.map. Then click on finish. Okay. So I have created the package. So under this package, I am going to create the classes. How many classes I am going to write? How many programs? 2 programs. One is the row filter driver, and one is the row filter mapper. So right click. So this is a new class. And what is the class name? This is the row filter driver. This is the class name. Click on finish. And similarly, right click, new class, row filter map. So click on finish. Yes. So there are the 2 programs are existing here. So this is the row filter driver, this is the row filter map. So I will do, currently I am copying this file, I am copying the program from another folder and I will see how to do this, and later I will explain each and every one. So take the map only row filter, that is the row filter driver, and copy this one, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Okay. Same thing, row filter map. Control V. Okay. But still you have seen the error. So this is the row filter driver, also you have seen the error. And this is the row filter map, also you have seen the error. Why? Because, what is the reason? And these utilities or all these packages are not existing in this location. Right. So what you want to do, you have to import the jar file, you have to import the API, and how to import this one, already it is existing. So how to add this one is right click, build path, and configure build path, and go to libraries, add jar file, add external jar file, and this is the jar file you have to download. Hadoop-core-1.1.2.jar file. Because the jar file contains all the packages whatever you are using in our program. So click on OK. So now let's see, and all the reference libraries are coming into this one. This is all the package, everything is and you are imported in this jar file only. So that's why whatever you are looking the errors is, everything is gone. Everything is gone, right? Correct now? So still you are seeing one more error. And what is that error? Public row filter extends row filter. So the class name and file name it should be always it is same. So row filter map is the class name, is the row filter, right? So I am doing the map again. So control, now it is gone. So this is the row filter map and this is row filter map. So where you are writing the business logic? Where you are writing the business logic? You are writing the business logic in the mapper only. Am I correct? Okay. So the first step is, and you have copied the file EMP file into the XJS location. The second step is, and you have created the Java program, and for the mapper and extension driver. So driver is the main class, and this main class only we are calling the mapper class, and we are calling as the driver class, both main class. How many number of reducers we are using? 0 now. Because it is not required, so that's why set number of reduced tasks is 0 in this case. After time. So this is a map function, and you are using this one. This is a completed logic, and you are writing in this one. So where you are writing the map function, this is a map function you are using. And you are extending the mapper class, and you are overriding the map in this map function. You have passed the parameters here. Right. So you have created the two programs as of now. Okay, fine. Go to file and save this one. Already it is saved. What is the next step? What is the next step? Next step is you want to filter the data. So this is a small mistake and coded logic. And this is gender actually. Gender W of this is a 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 means an array of 3. So you have to put the array of 3 here. And this is a non-department number, gender dot contains, and what is this? Female department. Okay. Control it. Now, so I am going to create the jar file. So how to create the jar file? Right click, export jar file. So all the classes whatever you have created in the Java program, I am creating the classes that class file where I am storing to the Asha folder. So export, click on next. Where the jar file I am going to store? So go to browse location on desktop location. And what is the folder name? Asha.jar file. Then click on OK. Then click on finish button. And click on finish button. Now control is show this one. Where the jar file is existing? So here it is. Double click on this. What is the package name? mr.map. And these are the two classes are created in the jar file. So what is the class file and you are going to execute? There is a main class name. What is the main class name? Row filter driver is the main class name we are going to execute in the program. Okay. Okay. Now the program and the jar file is ready. Now we are going to use the command for executing the program. Clear? So what is jar file is existing here? No. Where is the location? Desktop location. So cd desktop ls. What is the jar file name? We have created Asha.jar file. Yes, it is existing here. What the jar file is contains? There are the two classes. One is the row filter driver and one is the row filter map. And how to execute this command? Tell me. What is the command? Straight away in the Hadoop say jar. Now what is the jar file name? Asha.jar. What is the class name? Main class name? Row filter driver. Where it is existing? Which package you are using? map dot row filter driver. So you have to specify the input location. Where is the input location? Where is the input location? This is input file only, right? So this is the input location. So copy this one. Okay. So where is the output? Output I need to copy in this Asha folder. So you can specify the name /user /cloudra and /Asha and /result1.txt something. So is it clear? So what it will do? So what is the, there are the two parameters we are passing or two arguments we are passing. One argument is the input file and one more argument is the output file. So first it is taking the input file and after it is including the row filter driver, and whenever it is including the row filter driver, obviously in this row filter driver you are calling as a mapper class, and in this mapper class you are writing the business logic. So based on this business logic and that output you are storing into the result1.txt file. Is it clear? Now just enter the program now. So in this case the register is executing or not? No, right? So in this case we want to see the reduced percentage 0% only. What is the mapper percentage? 100%. Got it? So now, and so go to this location and go to click on this Asha folder. Where the output is existing? The output is existing in the res1.txt. So click on this one. Now you are getting a 3 files and the text is with 0 bytes file, that is a 0 bytes file, last information, and the mainly output is storing in the path icon, m icon and 5 zeros. So m means that is the mapper, r means that is the reducer. So click on this one. Yes, the output is sitting in this location. And what is the data you are seeing here? Only single because only you are seeing the output. So is it clear? First point. Hello? Okay. Now I want to see the only mail record and where you want to change the modifications in the program terminal. So first of all, yes. So first of all, and where you are writing the logic, is this driver program or is this mapper program? Mapper only. So go to mapper. So where are the changes you want to do? Instead of email and you want to change the? Yeah. Now again control S, save this one. Again each and every time you need to print the jar file. Right click, export jar file. So click on this and after same thing only I am going to use. Click on finish. Yes. Right. Now how to execute the program? The same program only. Clear. So instead of audience, what I am going to use? That is the same, right? So it's true. The remaining everything is same. Okay, click on enter. So I am not doing any changes here. Only instead of M I am changing to M. That's it. Now coming to this one. So only main record for the given the output, correct? Got it now? Right. Okay. Now discuss about the mapper program. Maybe sometimes you heard about the long writable. What is the long writable? What is long writable? Already I explained to you. Yes, exactly. This is a writable data type. What you must say as writable data type. And this is a long writable, int writable, text. These are the writable data types you are calling us, right? Or else the box data types you are calling us, right? Box classes you are calling us. So long writable means what kind of data you are going to store? Integer data, right? And text means you are going to store that is a character data. Null writable means so I am passing any data to this parameters, correct? Okay. So how many parameters you are passing here for the mapper class? There are the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the map function you will see it later, and you see for this one is there are the 4 parameters and we are passing, right? Okay. Yes, you are right. Writable. Okay. Long means there is so you can store there is a size of set is very different. Including there is limitations in this thing. And long means and you can store there is a big number. That's it, right? Okay. Now try to understand. This is very important. Okay. Now, and you are going to see, any doubt? So, as of now, is it clear? Yeah. Yes. Yes, you are right. You are right. Okay, correct. I am coming into that. Friday might be you also can join the 4-hour sessions. Maybe you start from Monday. That is 5:30 to 6:30 IST time. If you are comfortable, you can join that. May only. Yeah, that's what. And if you want recording, I have shared with that. If you have a chance, you can attend the session. It is 5:30 to 6:30 IST. Okay. Right. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Okay, right. Now, we will try to understand, so what it is that, how many parameters we are talking now. So this is the mapper class. Okay. So this mapper class, you are passing as 4 parameters. What are those? The first one is the writable of input key. Second one is writable of input value. Third one is writable of output key, and fourth one is the writable of output value. Now you got it, right? So you are having a mapper class. Mapper. What is the first parameter? Input key. What is the second parameter? Input value. What is the third parameter? Output key. What is the fourth parameter? Output value. Like this we are passing. What is the parameters in this example we have used? Input key is a long writable. long writable. Instead of this, you can use the interwritable also. There is no problem. Input value is the text, and output value is the output is the text, and output value is the null writable. I am passing any value, null writable. Generally, and these two are the key and value pair of the input, and these two are the key and value pair of the output. Is it clear first of all of you? Right. Now tell me, what is the key and value as per the output? Now tell me. What is the key and value as per the output? So you have the EMP, you have taken that EMP file. So in this EMP file, and what is the key and what is the value here? Input key and what is the input value? What is the key, input value and input value? Okay, value. Already I told you. What is it? Offset and value. What is offset? 0, 10, 30, 18 like this. The value is entire line. Entire line is entire single record you are taking as a value, correct? Got it? Right. First we will see this output. Later I will come up there. Okay? Later we will come up there. So we will go one level. First, what is the offset and what is the value? Programmatically I will see now. I am doing some small changes in this program. Everything I am putting the comment slash // I have commented. So there is no losses here. Directly I am writing the data here. So contents dot write, this is the key. And what is the value? And so this is V. And this one I am putting in the comment. Okay. Simple. What is the statement I am writing? Con dot write off key and value only. What is the key here? What is the key? Long writable K. K is the key, correct? K. What is the value here? V. Its value is the V. That's it. Now you are checking exactly first of all what is the value, what is the key, what you are getting, correct? So here also you need to do some modifications. Why? Because this is the output key and output value, correct? So this is the output key and this is the output value, correct? So now tell me what is the output key? Tell me what is the output key here? Output key is the number or not? Output key is the number or not? What is the output key? Output, what is the output we are expecting? Offset is the output, and what is the value you are expecting? That is the entire line is the value, correct? So in this case, what I am going to change? I am going to change the long writable or inwritable, anyone, correct? Long writable. What is the value I am expecting? Text only, correct? So instead of long writable, I am going to use the text. See, now try to remember. So what are the key value you are passing? This key value, whether it is integer or long, and based on that you have to define the writable data type. Suppose if the key value that is the integer, then you are using writable or long writable. Suppose if the key value is the text, and you are going to use the text. Got my point? Hello? Is it clear or not? Yes, yes, right. Yeah, see. See, for example, and you want to display the output, right? What is the output you are expecting in this problem statement? In this problem statement, So this is a EMP 10, A, 10,000, male, something 10. 20, B, 2000, F, 20. 30, C, 3000, male, 30. Now you are thinking, what is the key and what is the value first of all? You are trying to understand this one. Yes, exactly. K is the offset here and value is the test here. Right? So this is the input key and input value. Input key and input value. Same thing, I am trying to display in the output the same value. That's why I am taking as K, key and value, key and value. That output also I am going to take as output key and output value here. So this means I am going to define the long writable and next is this one is the test. Okay. What is the offset number? This is a 0. What is the test here? The entire line is the test. 10, A, 1000, male, 10. The same output also I am expecting in the output in the something RESP.TSP also. There is a 10. Top is a 0. Not 1, 2, 3. There is a length of line plus 1 is the next one, right? That's what I told you, correct? 20, B, 2000, F, 20. There is a length of line plus 1 is the next offset value, correct? So 30, like this. Got it? But this is, we never use this offset value for understanding and explaining to you, right? So only test only you are using for doing the calculation, correct? For doing the business logic and this one only you are using. This one is we never use. For understanding what is the key value, I am going to explain to you. Okay? I am explaining now. Is it clear first of all? Okay, fine. Similarly, what is the map function? Map function, there are the two. This one, output is the same value only, right? There is a long writable is in the integer or writable, anyone you can use it. Output is the same. Same output. 1, A, you are writing any business logic in it? You are not writing any business logic, correct? Input, what is the input, what is the output you are looking into that, right? So if you want to write the business logic, previous you did now, you are filtering the only male records or female records and like this you can filter the data. Now first what I am trying to do here is, in this example, and what is the key and what is the value? Just I am trying to understand from the beginning point of view. Got my point? Right. So the same thing in the map function, we are having as the 3 parameters. The first one is the input key, that is a K, and input value, that is a V, and the last one is the context variable. So input key means already you know this is the offset, and what is the value here? The entire line is the value. What is the context which we will do is, context is used to hold the configuration info and to write results into file or disk. This is the main purpose. Got it, no? So context why you are using, you are writing the output into the file. That is the main purpose of the context. So that's why you are going to use context.write. Like this and you are using, right? You have used the context of write from V, K, V value. The both values you are writing in the output. Got it? Hello? Hello? Correct. Now we'll see. Okay, the same program. So long writable, what is the key? What you are getting the value? K. K means what? What is the K value you are getting? Offset. Offset value. What is the offset value? 0, 18, 13, 6, that value you are getting. What is the test value you are getting? Not entire table, the entire line. Yeah, entire line it is stored in the value, correct? What is the content? What is the content? Yeah, K and V both together. So where you are writing? Where you are writing? You are writing the data into the file only, correct? Where is that file? That file you are giving the path. In the second argument is the file path, right? So it is writing the data into this output. Is it clear? This is the base example, right? Now I am going to create the job cell now. So right click. So first I am saving this one, control S. So right click, export, click on next, say master.jar file, click on finish, click on S, okay. Now clear. Same program, right? RSP.txt. So you are taking output records for 8. What is the file name? RSP.txt. So this is a mapper. Now you try to understand. Is it correct or not? Right now? So this is what is the offset value? 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 1 is the 18. Same thing 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 plus 1 is the 36. So like this, the data is storing in the offset value. So now my point of view, and are you using this record or are you using this record for calculating the male records or female records? This data only I want to require, correct? So key value is it required? No, not required, correct? So only this data only you want to require, 101. So all the records, this data only is required. So that's why, and if you observe in this program, and we never use that key value. So you are using only V only we are using. That's why I am going to use V. Now in this case, the K is required in this case? No, correct? So I am going to remove the K. What is the value is required? Only V only it is required. So can I pass the second is null writable or not? In this case, presently, null writable dot get. Get means you are writing the null value. You are writing the null value, that's it. So whenever you are writing the null value, obviously here also you need to pass the null value or not? This is the first argument, second argument. Correct, sir? So output key and output value, and output value here you are passing the null means here also you are passing the null, correct? So null writable. So what is the output? Yeah. So this is the V. V is the test or not now? Test only, correct? So here instead of non-writable you need to use text. So based on this output you need to change the data type. No, only one parameter is it accepting? One parameter is it accepting? No, it is not accepting. So always the context.write is, suppose if you see, always it is accepting, so you should get it. Context.write, yeah. So this is always it is accepting the key and value only. No, yeah, here, so here you can use, you can define by yourself, whatever you want, and you can define the yourself also, that is the key value. Now I am passing as key value is a V, and value is a non-writable. Non-writable or writable dot get. Right. Now I am going to remove this statement. You will try to understand the logic now. Now what I am trying to do, what is the data is existing here V, in this V? In this V, what is the data is existing? 101, comma, A, comma, salary, comma, what is the next one? Gender, M or the gender, comma, department number, 12. So this entire line is a text or not? Yes. So this is a writable data type or Java data type? It is a writable data type or Java data type? Java data type is a string, not text, right? So these are all whatever you are defining here, all are the writable data types, MapReduce data types. Correct now? Long writable also MapReduce data types. So these are all the writables, correct? Right. So in this case, I got this data 101 and A 10,000, F and 12. One more thing is, can you write the business logic and using the writable data type? No. I will repeat once again. Can you write the business logic using writable data type? No. So what you want to do is, whatever the data is exists in the string writable data type, first I want to convert into the Java data type. I want to convert into the Java data type. That's why v.toString is again it is converting into the string data type. So this string is the Java data type or not? Yes, right? So that's why I am taking one variable that is a line. So what are the value of the v.toString means that entire line it is stored in the line. So this entire line is coming, it is stored, where it is stored? In the string object. What is the string object here? Line. What the line is contained? 101, comma A, comma 10,000, comma F, comma 12. So the line is contained. Yeah, it's a string. Now again on this string, I am going to split it as comma. Based on the comma I am splitting. I am taking only, that is the third one. Third one means 0. This is the array. 0, 1, 2, 3. Third value. So that's why I am saying yes. Yes, I want to record that is the third value. That's why I am saying yes. Line.split of, what is the delimiter I am using here? Comma is the delimiter. That's why I am using a comma. So what is the column you want to require? Third column. 0, 1, 2, 3. Third column you want to require. So I am taking a third column. That value I am putting into the one more variable called as gender. So these two statements are clear or not? Is it clear? Right. Right. So later, if gender dot contains of M, suppose if you are getting so many records, even F records also, correct? So if the gender dot M only, I am going to filter, I am going to write the data into this file. That's it. So if you want to single record and gender dot contains F. If you want this one and based on your requirement, you are going to do this. Now you only tell me the logic. I want to filter only the department number 10 records. What I want to do? Department number 11 records I want to filter. What is the logic? So here in department number, line dot split off comma, where the department number is existing in this line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means this is the 4. And here, exactly, department number contains whatever you want to require. So this is 11 or 12, whatever it is existing. Got it now? So now try to execute this program. So it is map function, it is reading line by line, right? So how many number of lines are existing? Those many number of times the mapper function is executing. Correct now? First it is taking the first line, it is reading the data. Second line it is reading the data. Third line it is reading the data. Like this. Now let's see. We will execute and see the output, what it is. Right click, export, define name, asha.jarpad, yes. The same thing, and you are executing, and you know one more file name. There is no difference, correct? Yeah. Yeah, you can write it. You can write it. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So same, there is no change, all are the Java programs only. See, only the, see, yeah. See, only till conversion, only up to that is the MapReduce. After conversion, the entire process is how you are writing the programs in the Java program, same it is applicable here. There is no change at all. Here now, here we find this way, 11 and the department number, 11 and department number dot contains of yeah. And yes. Verify in this way. So you want to show the two different kinds? No. Mapper output is only showing only single file only. Single file only. Yes, right. Okay, now just do this program. So this is the logic is completely Java logic only after conversion. Based on your thinking what you want to key value, what you want to key and value. Based on the requirement only that output will come. That is very important. Yeah, you can use it. Yeah, I will show you that. There is a regression, reducer part, right? Reducer. I will let you know the reducer. First you try to understand, then you will come back to that. Okay. Yes, you are right. Now check the output. This is 11 and 12 records, right? Okay. This is based on the logic and this you are writing the program. But mainly you are trying to write down the program on how it is, the logic is, and based on the requirement you can write it, right? So mainly you will try to understand what is this parameters based on it and how to use this parameter. That is you try to understand. Okay. Now is it clear? This program, sample program, I will explain and each and every step I will write and later I will see other programs as well. Okay. So is this clear for today? Yeah, you are right. You are right. See, you are passed the two parameters here, right? Directly in this program itself you are passed the two parameters. What are those? And this means EMP and this means the second argument is the RE5.ts. These are two arguments. But where you are writing this one? You are writing in the mapper? Those arguments you are passing to the mapper? No. So the where it is taking? It is taking the driver program. So this is the R sub 0, R sub 1. R sub 0 means that is the first argument. R sub 1 means that is the second argument. Got it now? So this is about the complete configuration of the system. But every program is the same. There is no change at all. Got it? So obviously you are executing the driver program and you are executing the driver class, you are executing the mapper class and your length of reduce task is 0. Simply you are passing the argument of 0, argument of 1. So this is the file format obviously just when you are passing as these arguments to this file and I will just press the system.exe. So these are the statements. Driver never change. Driver never change. Suppose, for example, if you are writing one more program, for example, and simply you change the mapper name, that's it. That's it. The remaining everything is same now. Always the driver program is same. Simple whatever. Yeah, that's correct. So the remaining everything is the same. There is no change. This is all about the configuration of the driver class. This one is no change. Suppose if you are adding the reducer class, again the j.set reducer class of reducer name, that's it. So you are removing the statement, that's it, sir. Got my point? So whenever you are executing the program with the driver class, obviously the driver class is calling all the mapper classes and reducer classes one by one, it is running. So it is taking the parameters and it is running the job. Can you run the multiple mapper? Yeah, might be I need to try from that area also. I didn't try actually. Yes, okay. Since might be possible. Yeah, exactly. Yes. Yeah, obviously I will share the jar file. You can download from the Google also. I will let you know, no problem. Tomorrow I will show you one by one. Yeah, sure, definitely. Now on live talk and post. So that is the mapper. Take the parking, dismiss the driver class. Control C. Dismiss the driver. Jar file is only one jar file, Hadoop -4-1.1.2.jar. This you can download from the Google. So note it down, Hadoop -4-1.1.2.jar file. So this jar file is required for importing all the package which are existing in the jar file. Okay, you download the jar file and you can copy and paste it into the Cloudra. This is the system, right? Later, and you can import the XML jar file into this program. Okay. Yeah, you can put it Google and it is coming directly. Hadoop 1.25, 1.2 journey, it is coming directly. So it is so. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. So the package is there and you can download it. So you are getting in the zip format and you have to unzip the zip. Yeah.